So we are good to go. So we are a team of students from the local region like Frankfurt and Darmstadt, and majorly studying at TU Darmstadt. And we just came here out of curiosity. So we had the same challenge as the other guys, but we took a different approach. We went out of the hospital. So out of the hospital, you have quite different cases than inside the hospital because they have completely different conditions. I'm particularly talking about large accidents or catastrophes where there's like a massive amount of casualties and injuries that you have to deal with. And yeah, and usually, okay. I want a picture. What? Oh, okay. I didn't see that. Oh my god. Okay. I thought it was already. So you want to see there's like this is the typical situation you are facing when you're in a catastrophic situation. Usually the first rescuers that come in there is like maybe 3, 4, 6 ambulances, and they are totally overpowered by the amount of work that has to be done, and they can't really cope with it. So we see that there is a huge opportunity to actually save lives of humans, and this is like the situation where triage really comes into importance because it's really used today. People walk around and start classifying all the victims by their severity of injury and their urgency. And usually it's a very algorithmic protocol. It's very well structured. So we see this as an opportunity to automate that and to optimize that. And this is where the drone comes in. Like our solution is that we have a drone that actually discovers the patients, then uses sensory data to analyze them, then communicates to them verbally, and actually we can also provide the information outside for analytics and maybe other remote experts. But it's optional. The important part is on the right side. Now what we did, we wanted to prove this, that this is actually applicable. So within 24 hours, we actually developed a system that, or several systems that cover these points. I want to go onto the demo now to actually show what we got. So,
so I will go with the voice demo first.
Hello, I'm Cortana. I'm here to help you and to assess your health condition. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Your heart rate is around 70 BPM. Do you have problems breathing?
No, I don't think so.
Do you feel strong pain?
Yeah, my chest hurts.
I could not understand
so
you.
I want to show you that this is actually working, and I want to encourage everyone to try out if he wants to. And the heart rate thing is actually really accurate because the drone has a camera, and recent development and research has discovered methods to just actually estimate the heart rate of a human being just by measuring the color of the skin and looking for changes in there. And we have actually taken this research and actually get it to run and implement it. And there should be some footage coming up soon for that. You will see that there on this side then. We had some difficulties with that, but we managed to actually smoothen out the data and even improve the results. Because usually those data that's coming from experiments is usually quite jittery and not very reliable.
So the BPM is just detected now in the last part of the video because it just needs to generate pre-data. So.
And you see, like it actually converges to a pretty accurate value. And what we also have, we see like at the actual rescue situation, the people that are coming to help, they actually need access to all this data, and someone has to steal a drone. And then we have come up with a mobile application that actually streams the video of the drone flying and scanning the area to your mobile device, and then it actually automatically logs people and sees the location and gives you a map view of where people are, and then tries to categorize them and give a color marking the severity of injury and urgency. So this what you're seeing here, the footage, this is actually the film with the drone. Like we wish to fly here with the drone, but it's actually not possible because the room is too small and there are some issues. But you can actually go outside and then you can try if you want to. So I want to give also for technical people a quick look at our stack and how we actually implemented all this. So we have this native Android app, of course. Then for the voice user interface, we of course used Azure and speech-to-text APIs, and we built HTTP API. Of course, we used the PPG models for actually measuring the heart rates, and we have this natural language processing to actually improve our verbal communication capabilities. And just to make a conclusion, you can see that actually drones are very fast. Drones, they can save time in reality, and they have the ability to give an overview of otherwise very unstructured and hard to capture environments. Yes, you do not have to agree, but a drone, it can fly up and see everything. And so our product is actually going to save lives. And quite cheaply, because drones, they are cheap right now. I think the drone we used, it just costs $500. Thank you very much. So I'm eager for your questions.
Did you try to calculate any economic value? Because the problem in this case is that those events are very seldom, fortunately. So how would you sell your product? Any ideas on this?
I think when it's about saving lives, a lot of times it's not about how much money it costs. If you can save someone, you can. I mean, if you compare what this drone costs to implement, it's just $500. And you take into account what a new knee costs. Like the difference is gigantic actually. And I think it's not so expensive to just buy some drones that cost $500. What does a repair on your ambulance car cost? What does it cost to just mount a $500 drone on top to deploy when you arrive at the location?
I like the answer. I also use this argumentation. So.
Okay, no more questions?
No doubts?
Very good.
I like this.
Perfect. Then thank you very much.